this is Wayne Bridges. I am a Senior Solutions Engineer with VMware End User Computing. In this video, I'm going to walk through how to create a Denylist application group. And a Denylist is an application group that specifies applications that cannot be installed or executed on managed devices. This works in conjunction with compliance policies in Workspace UEM and allows you to better manage the applications that can be installed on your devices. So let's take a look at my console. I'm going to go initially to Resources on the left tab menu. And then under Applications in the middle menu, I'm going to go to Settings and then App Groups. And I'm going to add a group. So the group I'm going to add is going to be of type Denylist. I'm going to select the platform for which I'm creating the group. In this case, I'm going to use Apple iOS. Android is going to follow a similar process for creating an application group. And I have to give the group a name. After I've named the group, I go down to Add Application, and I can select the applications that I want to deny in this case. And I'm going to specify an application here. And what Workspace ONE actually uses in creating the rules for denying applications is what's known as an application ID. This is also known as a bundle ID in some contexts. And the application ID is what the developer uses to publish their app on the App Store. I don't know the app ID for TikTok in this case, but I can find that by using the search button here. This will bring in metadata from the App Store, and I see the app that I want to deny, and I can select it here very easily, and that automatically fills in the application ID for me. Now once I've done that and I've added the other applications that I may want to include on this list, I can go to the Next button at the bottom of the screen. And here I can add a description for the assignment of the list. I can also specify the type of device ownership, whether I just want to apply this to corporate devices or if I want this applied to employee-owned devices. In this case, I'm just going to leave that at any. I can also specify device models. Is this for iPhones? Is it for iPads? Again, I'm going to leave this at any at this point. And then I can specify operating system versions, and because there may be many in my environment, I'm going to leave that at any as well. I am managing this at the top level organization group in my Workspace ONE UEM environment, and that could be managed at a lower level as well, so I can specify this at individual organization groups. If I'm a large organization and this only applies to a subset of my users, then I don't have to apply it globally to all of my devices. And I'm going to include the organization group. Again, this is the top level organization group in my environment, but you could specify individual organization groups or user groups to which to assign this application group. And finally, when I'm done, I'm going to click Finished. And I have the Deny Social app group created at this point. And this is, again, a Denylist. Beyond this, I can use, as I mentioned, compliance policies to help to enforce this list on the devices. And I'll cover that in another video. Thanks for watching.